Hello, my name is Kerstin Breiteneder and I'm a member of the Dynamic Code Evolution VM team. In this screencast I will show you how easy it is to install the DCE VM on your system. At the moment I have the current JDK 7 and NetBeans IDE installed. To verify the current Java installation I type Java -version in the console. You can download the current version of the installer from our website ssw.gku.at/dcevm in the binary section. Make sure to start the installer with enough privileges. I do this by typing java -jar in the administrator console. The installer shows all Java and NetBeans installations in default installation directories. If your installation is not in the list, you can use the Add Installation Directory button. I will install the DCE VM into the JDK 7 directory. The installer downloads all necessary files, so please make sure you have internet connectivity. Let's verify the installation by typing Java -version again. As you can see, all went fine. Now let's also install the NetBeans plugin by selecting the NetBeans directory and clicking Install. Let's start NetBeans to see if the plugin is correctly installed. Now you can see the plugin in the toolbar. By clicking on it, you get the DCE VM installation infos. I hope you enjoyed this screencast. If you have any questions or feedback, please don't hesitate to contact us.